is Olga Van Light, and today we're going to unbox this Splatter screen by BergKoch. And yes guys, let's see what is inside. And this time I definitely got a larger one, which is 15 inches in diameter, and I feel like it's definitely going to make a huge difference, because it's going to work for a variety of different projects. And yes, so again, it comes with some paperwork in here that you might have noticed. And yes guys, all right, so basically there's a thank you card, and here is basically your splatter. And what I see, it's definitely very fine, and it definitely makes a big difference to prevent all that oil, or when you are cooking soups, to basically getting out of your pot, as well as also getting out of your pans. And yes, so basically it's made of 304 grade stainless steel, and fine mesh scoops 99% of splatter. Again, the first thing I've noticed, it's very fine. Look at this, guys, extremely fine. And also guys, it's again, it's great to store in a narrow space, because again, you can see it is very narrow, so you can put it on a shelf vertically or horizontally, or maybe you want to keep it in your oven. And yes guys, it comes with ergonomic feet that conveniently keep the screen on your countertop without it's getting so yes guys, these are the feet. I didn't even know. So as you can see, it's not going to touch the surface with all the oil that it gathered. And also securely joined handle is made of heat-resistant plastic to protect your hands from painful burns. No more need for pot holders and oven mitts, which is great. That's another very good touch. And as you guys know, I absolutely love to cook. And also after using, just give the screen a quick soapy rinse or put it in the dishwasher. So it is dishwasher safe, and it is heavy-duty stainless steel construction, is crafted with the same essence as German kitchenware to last for years. Comes with a lifetime warranty. And yes guys, look at that, lifetime warranty it is. Absolutely love it, and I hope that all of you would be able to appreciate it as well. And yes guys, I hope that all of you are extremely inspired to cook this season, and I definitely am. And yes, cannot wait for Thanksgiving and to cook all of those delicious dishes. And another great item that you might have noticed in my carousel, it is actually a robot mop. It's called iRobot Bravo Jet, and